Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to add review schema markup to your Shopify store and fix that problem without touching any code. Many Shopify stores have customer reviews, but Google still doesn't display review stars in search results. I have also shared a detailed blog post where you can check all the steps properly. You can find the full guide using the link in the description, so make sure to check it out. Review schema markup is structured data that helps search engines understand your product reviews and ratings. When implemented correctly, Google can display rich results such as star ratings, review counts, product information. These rich snippets help your listing stand out and can improve click-through rates from search results. Many Shopify stores have schema issues such as missing review markup, invalid structured data, incorrect review properties, theme or app conflicts. These issues can prevent Google from showing review-rich results even when your products already have customer reviews. Schema markup is typically added using the JSON-LD format, which provides structured information that search engines can easily read and process. Manual schema implementation works for small websites, but as your product catalog grows, it becomes much harder to manage and maintain. If you want to save time and avoid all the manual work, use JSON Schema App. This tool automatically adds schema markup to your store. Just follow these simple steps. First, click Install Shopify app. You'll be redirected to the Shopify App Store where you can install our app with a single click. Once the app is installed, complete the setup wizard. This will scan your entire store, detect the appropriate schema types, then fill in the required details. The app will automatically add and manage the required schema types across your store. You can also configure special pages such as About Us, Contact Us, Privacy Policy, and other custom pages during the setup process. After completing the wizard, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can view your updated schema health score, monitor your schema coverage, and manage all your structured data from one place. Once the schema is added, copy your product page URL, open the Rich Results Test tool and paste the URL. Run the test and check whether the product and review schema are detected correctly. If everything is valid, your website is ready for review-rich results. Also, you can validate it with the Schema Markup Validator tool. Simply copy the product page URL and paste it here and make sure everything is working correctly. JSON Schema App automatically fixes schema errors, adds review markup, keeps schema updated, monitors structured data changes. So you don't have to manage JSON-LD code yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the link below to start optimizing your Shopify store today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.